first train was a very large mixed freight. Leading it was ES44AC H2545, which I seem to be seeing a lot, and ES44AC 7413, along with AC44CW 7267. The mid DPU is an original ES44AC 5514. A few hours later, the signals turned back on, and all I saw was red, but I knew that on the other side, on one of the tracks, there was a green or a red, and here it came on track 2. It was the local, led by two ex-Chicago Northwestern AC44CWs, first 6837 and second 6554. That wasn't the regular 6 train, so I paid attention to the signals to see if something would improve, and it did. A green over red came on track 1, but then the signals went dark. This had happened to me before, and I knew what would happen. Exactly an hour later, I knew the signals would turn back on, but this time they came on a little earlier than I expected, and I still set up anyway. It was a big intermodal. Leading it was an ES44AC and an SD70M. Unfortunately, it was going so fast I couldn't even read the numbers. We got an awesome K5HL horn show, though. I love to see DPUs on intermodals, and here came one, original ES44AC 5514. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm trying a little bit of a new format. Same format as most of my train videos, but I'm trying to add in less trains and make more rail fanning videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. From Milepost 17 in Omaha, Nebraska, this is Union Pacific Omaha out.